Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville in Southfield Township Libraries. Today, we're going to take a look at how to adjust spacing in a document. Here I have a document typed up. Now say I want to change this to be single-spaced. I'm using Word in a Windows machine. What I'm going to do is click and drag to highlight all of my text. I want to come up here and look for the word paragraph, and then go to the right and look for this tiny symbol, and that will pop out a menu. Then come down here to the spacing option and look for line spacing and change that from multiple to single. Let's see what that looks like. It changed it a little bit, but it's not quite the single space look that I was hoping for. So let's go back to that menu and make another change. We'll come back over here to before and after. The after is what I want to change. So I'm going to take that down to 0. And you can see a little preview in this box here. That's what I was looking for. So now it really looks single spaced. And if I wanted this to be double spaced, I could just change the line spacing to double. And that's how you change your document spacing. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.